Okay guys, welcome to Crazy Burger. So two more games have been revealed for the A500 Mini this week. We're almost near the full completed set. But what are those two games this week? Let's find out. Okay guys, two games revealed this week is Quack and Super Cars 2. So Super Cars 2 is by Gremlin. It's a top-down sort of racing game. It's a little bit like I guess like Super Off-Road type of thing. And it's really good. I played the original on the C64 and it was absolutely fantastic. Really good fun to play. Quite simple. And there's sort of weapons in it as well. You can sort of take out the other sort of cars, which is fun. And the other game, which I'm definitely not totally aware of, this is the first time I've actually ever heard of it. It's called Quack by Team 17, who were famous obviously for Worms. And it was awarded a 92% in a Gamer Gold review by Amiga Computing. So it must be pretty good. And I think it's obviously kind of a puzzle style platform collect 'em up type of thing. It sounds quite interesting. Sounds like games I actually quite like to play. But yeah, so let's get stuck in. Obviously, it's another sort of week, and there's a lot of iconic games still missing, and I get the feeling that we're probably not going to see every type of game that you want to maybe see. Sensible Soccer, do you think we'll still see that? Still 3 games to be announced. I'm sure there's plenty more that we'd love to see, but you have to remember, it's all about getting those licensing. And also, if it's not on the actual list, you can add your own games. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a quick play at the two games. So guys, that's the two games, Supercars and Quack. Now Supercars is really good fun, but it is quite tricky to actually control. But it's a lot of fun to play. Once you sort of master those controls, you really need to sort of be quite sort of gentle. They're quite sensitive. But it is a really good fun game to play. As is this one. This has actually surprised me how cool this game is to play. Obviously missed this back in the day, don't remember it at all. But it's actually really good fun to play, and it's very easy. And these two games are just simple games. They're not like obviously utilising the keyboard unlike a lot of the games we've played previously, and where they heavily rely on sort of keyboard. These are just simple joypad games or joystick, whatever you prefer, and they're great fun to play. Very easy to pick up. And I'm actually quite impressed. I mean, I know they're not massively iconic games, but they're good fun games, and I think we should recognise that. I absolutely enjoy them. I really love these two. Absolutely brilliant. Let me know what you think, but you still would like to see them. There's still 3 games to be announced. Hopefully we'll see some more iconic games like maybe Sensible Soccer or other things that we haven't yet seen. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you again next time. Bye for now.